1 2 3 testing 1 2 3. Hello, everyone. My name is Ryan E. Kirby, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. My GitHub username is RyanKirbyIT, and my edX username is RKERBYIT. Today, I am demonstrating a simple yet effective password manager that I built using Python. Let's get started. Running the program and displaying menu. Here, I am running the password manager program. As you can see, the main menu provides several options: generating a password, storing a password, retrieving a password, deleting a password, and viewing all stored passwords. Feature 1. Generating a password. Select the Generate Password option in the program. Let's start by generating a password. I will select option 1 and enter a length of 12 characters. The program uses Python's secrets module to generate a secure, random password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Here is the generated password. Feature 2. Storing a password. Select the Store Password option in the program. Next, let's store a password. I'll select option 2, enter example_account as the account name, and provide the password. Python CS50 Amazing. The password manager encrypts this password using the cryptography library to ensure that it is securely stored. The program then saves the encrypted password to a text file called passwords.txt. Feature 3. Retrieving a password. Select the Retrieve Password option in the program. Now, let's retrieve the password we just stored. I'll select option 3 and enter example_account as the account name. The program looks up the account in the file, decrypts the stored password, and displays it here. This is the original password that was encrypted for storage. Feature 4. Deleting a password. Select the Delete Password option in the program. To demonstrate deleting a password, I'll select option 4 and enter example_account to delete it. The program removes the entry from the file, ensuring that the password is no longer stored. This feature is helpful when you no longer need to save credentials for an account. Feature 5. Viewing all stored passwords. Select the View All Stored Passwords option in the program. Finally, let's view all stored passwords. By selecting option 5, the program displays all the accounts in the passwords.txt file. Note that the passwords are still encrypted, ensuring security even when viewing the file's contents. Running the tests with pytest. Switch to the terminal and run pytest test_project.py to ensure the accuracy and functionality of my password manager. I have written unit tests using pytest. Here, I am running the tests, which validate features like password generation, storage, retrieval, and deletion. As you can see, all the tests have passed successfully. In summary, this password manager provides a simple yet secure way to generate, store, retrieve, and delete passwords. It uses encryption to keep stored passwords safe, ensuring that sensitive information is protected. For future improvements, I plan to add a master password for extra security and a graphical user interface for a more user-friendly experience. Thank you for watching my demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out.